There are some other components within a circuit that you need to be aware of, and they are the thermistor and the light-dependent resistor, the LDR. I always think the symbol for a thermistor looks quite like a hockey stick going through the normal resistor. But unlike a normal resistor, the resistance changes, and it depends on the temperature. There's a clue in the name. Therm links to temperature or heat, so the resistance of a thermistor decreases as the temperature increases. So as we get hotter along this part of the graph, we can see the resistance starts to go down. So at a low temperature, it's got a high resistance. At a higher temperature, the resistance is lower. Notice that it's a curve rather than a straight line, but either way, it's opposite to what a bulb is, because a bulb, as it gets hotter, the resistance goes up. A thermistor, as the temperature goes up, the resistance goes down. So a use of a thermistor would be in a thermostat. So you find a thermostat in your home where you can control the temperature. So then by changing the dial on the wall at home, that will then turn the heating on or off dependent on the temperature of the room. Equally, you'd find it in your fridge. So you have a dial in your fridge that you can change, and again, it will turn on depending on how cold you want the fridge to be. The other one is the LDR, or the light-dependent resistor. The word dependent means it depends on light. So see the arrows, they go towards the resistor with a circle round, so it depends on the light coming in. So that's how you know the direction of the arrows. The shape of the graph, you'll notice, is exactly the same as the thermistor. So you only have to remember one shape. However, this one depends on light, so rather than temperature along here, we've then got light intensity. So when it's really bright, so that's got a high light intensity, the resistance is low. When it's dark, that's got a low light intensity, the resistance has increased. So the resistance of an LDR decreases as light intensity increases. A use for this one is in street lamps. So you know when it gets dark, the light switch is on.